Ako po si Grace, anak ni Grace. May anak na Grace at may pamangkin na Grace.
Happy birthday po. Wish ko sa'yo is long life po and more birthdays to come.
Ang wish ko po kay Mamang is enjoy her day and good health always.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday! My wish for you is lagi po ito maging masaya and always smile dapat.
Hello, Mamang. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is good health and lagi lang masaya, Mamang. We love you.
Hello Mamang, happy birthday at lagi-lagi po masaya at good health at always the best of wishing. Happy birthday Mamang, we love you.
Ang naaalala ko kay Mamang is when I was a little girl. Meron akong summer class sa Quiapo and she takes me there like every day. And then after the class, we would get sago and drink and something like that. And I enjoyed that very much. Thank you, Mamang. I pray that the Lord will give you many, many more years to come. We love you.
Windows down on my favorite street.
Pag nakikita ko siya, lagi siyang nagkukwento ng mga karanasan niya. Ito yung karanasan niya nung gera, nare-reminisce niya. Tsaka mahilig siyang magpatugtog ng Ilocano songs.
Lagi si Mamang nagpapaalala sa akin na mahalin ko yung mga anak ko at bigay lahat. Mamang para sa akin, siya yung best grandmother ever.
And this is when the moments turn.
Talagang kahit marami kami, wala siyang paborito. Lahat ng advices, lahat ng kumusta, kasi kami malayo kami laging nangungumusta. And masarap lagi magluto si Mamang, yung ibang putahe niya hindi ko magaya.
I'm sorry it's been 10 years since I've been here, but I wish you the best. I'm happy to see that you're well loved and cared for by everybody. You did a wonderful job raising this family.
Relatives and friends are gathered here as we celebrate Mamang Grace's 90th birthday. The only response that we need to do: worship God, honor God, thank God for His faithfulness. Without Him, our life is nothing. Mamang Grace, happy birthday.
My wish is to have fun and have a wonderful day today, Lord. And remember me always.
Ang wish ko, sana tumagal pa po ang buhay ni Mamang. Makasama namin siya ng matagal. Happy birthday, Mamang.
When the moments turn to memories. And this is
Happy birthday, Mamang. I hope you're enjoying your time today. It's your 90th birthday. I want to give you the best 90th birthday we could give.
Hi Mamang, happy birthday! Very, very blessed po namin, nakasama ka namin hanggang sa 90th birthday mo and more birthdays to come. Tsaka mas maayos na health. Happy birthday, my dear Mamang! Wish you all the best and thankful to the Lord na andito ka pa rin and giving you continuous good health and happiness. Happy birthday!